Hey you guys, so today I'm going to be reviewing this Nicka New York eyeshadow palette. It's got a total of 32 colors, and I picked it up at the drugstore while I was getting my hair colored, because I do hair. I'm a cosmetology student, so I figured I'd do my hair. And if you look closely at this palette, you'll see that each of these shades comes in sets of 4. I've not really unboxed this just yet, but I was hoping.
I want to briefly talk about the shades before I get this swatch underway.
First impression, you OPN. We should be closer to friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The door's OPN. Take that hot road and hop in. First impression, you OPN. We should be closer to friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda.
I'm only going to be swatching out these shades, this shade, this shade, this shade, this shade, and this shade right here. And the reason being is because these shades here seem to be shimmer shades, and I think these last 2 shades are matte. Like, so these first 2 shades are shimmer, this one, and then these last 2 are matte shades. And then this is, I think I messed up my hand. This is a glitter shade right here. This over here is also a glitter shade. This is a glitter shade. This is a glitter shade. This is a glitter shade, which I've never seen a black glitter shade before. This is a glitter shade. So in all, I think this palette is a combination of glitter shades and matte shades. And if you look at the back of the palette, it says it has blush and eyeshadow in it, which leads me to believe that this is both a face palette and an eyeshadow palette. Like, I believe you can do lipstick, everything with this palette. I don't think it's just an eyeshadow palette. Upon reviewing this palette, I actually did use some of these colors for lipsticks. Let me open the palette up again. For example, this shade right here, I used it as a lipstick. So I believe that some of these shades can be used as lip colors. I don't believe the whole palette is made solely for eyeshadows. And some of these shades can be used as blush as well. And you can even contour and highlight with some of these shades. And you can even use a few shades as a highlighter, if you will. Like this shade would be a pretty highlighter. And we're just going to swatch it out real quick with our finger. Actually, we can do better with that. We're going to do this. I'm going to swatch it with the doe foot applicator. See how shimmery and pretty that is? It could definitely be a highlighter shade. So this is just an all-around palette. At first I thought it was just an eyeshadow palette, but it looks like it's an all-around palette.
And what this means to me is that basically the shades are meant to be paired. So I'm going to do like, let's see, how many shades are there? 32 shades, and they're groups of 4. So I'm going to do 8 different looks. I had to calculate that in my head, sorry you guys. So I'm going to try to do 8 different looks, or at the very least 4 different looks using the shadows as they correspond in the box. So here we go. So for the shadows, I'm going to be using this cream makeup, and then if that doesn't work, I will be using the Estee Lauder Double Concealer Dark for darker shades, and then the Estee Lauder Double Wear 16-Hour Concealer Light for the lighter shades. But first we're going to do it with this cream makeup, my costume makeup, just to see if it makes the colors pop more.
Request my chariot, get ya. The door's OPN. Take that hot road and hop in. First impression, you OPN.
So because this cream makeup didn't work the way I thought it would, I'm going to remove it and just stick to my Estee Lauder Double Wear Concealer, which is what I've been using to set all my makeup. Next, I'm going to apply this Estee Lauder Double Wear Concealer as a base, and instead of setting it with a traditional sponge, like this one, I'm going to be setting it with my concealer brush and just kind of dabbing it in so that the colors pop more and these swatches come out properly.
Take that hot road and hop in. First impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take that hot road and hop in. Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up in smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate. Exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up. Come to visit me, she say that she the loneliest, and it's hard to open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up, tear you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotion waterfall on me. Open up. Open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up, tear you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotion waterfall on me. Open up. Open up. Need to deep breathe, heart and complications. Open up. Need to reread our conversation. Contemplation over our situation. Open up. You OPN. Bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take that hot road and hop in. You OPN. Bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take that hot road and hop in. Open up, open up. Shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open up. Open, open. First impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take that hot road and hop in. Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up in smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate. Exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up. Come to visit me, she say that she the loneliest, and it's hard to open up. Need to deep breathe, heart and complications. Open up. You OPN. Bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take that hot road and hop in. Open up.